With the name of Allah, the Almighty, most beneficent, most merciful, whose blessings are uncountable, and for everyone beyond color and creed, whose benevolence is everlasting, and whose mercy is unflinching and eternal. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. A hearty good morning to all of you present here. My name is Daniel Ahmed, and the purpose of our meeting here today is morning assembly. खुशबू किरण उजाले धनक और कहकशां जाकिर है तेरे अर्जो समा अल्लाह. Welcome to Usman Ahmed from class 3 to come on stage and fill our hearts with the eternal light by reciting the Holy Quran. लब पे नात पाक का नगमा कल भी था और आज भी है. मेरे नबी से मेरा रिश्ता कल भी था और आज भी है. To give tribute to the most blessed person on earth, I would like to call upon Afaq Ahmed from class 9 to come on stage and recite Naat Rasool Maqbool sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because without praising our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, no gathering can be blessed. Please welcome Afaq Ahmed. Now I would like to call Jahangir Badar from class 5 to tell about the history of Pakistan. It is time to call Muhammad Jahangir from class 6 to shed some light on the topic of Labor Day. Now I would like to invite our respected principal, Mr. Salim, to come on the stage and share his enlightening thoughts. दुश्मन हजार है तेरे फिर भी तू शाद रहेगा ए पाकिस्तान. तुझ पे फिदा मेरी हर एक शय, ये मालो मता ये दिल और जान. It's time now for the national anthem. Please stand up and be attentive for the national anthem.